Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kishore. Today I will discuss about the order of reaction, which is the part of chemical kinetics. As you know, in the previous lecture we discussed what is the law of mass action means, what is the effect of concentration on the rate of a reaction. But now we discuss about the order of a reaction. Okay, let us start what is the order of reaction. Before starting my lecture, who is new, one please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video notification. So let us start what is the order of reaction. Basically, अगर हम एक जनरल रिएक्शन लें, एक जनरल रिएक्शन, तो जनरल रिएक्शन में A plus B, capital B gives out product, right? This is a common general reaction. If we want to write the rate of this reaction, then according to the law of mass action, according to law of mass action, which is given by Goldberg and Wadi, rate of reaction is equal to rate constant, concentration of A and its power is rate with its stoichiometric coefficient. जो भी इसका stoichiometric coefficient होगा या जो भी multiply नहीं होगा वो that is rate in the form of power. And similarly, in case of B, the power should be small. This is the rate of reaction for this reaction. But actually, experimentally, listen carefully. Experimentally, maybe the concentration of A is not depend on small a. Means हो सकता है कि concentration of A डिपेंड करे A पर या उससे कम की वैल्यू पर या उससे ज्यादा की वैल्यू पर. तो A की वैल्यू डिपेंड करे किस बात पर डिपेंड करेगा, दैट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय एक्सपेरिमेंटली. सो एक्सपेरिमेंटली it is observed that rate of reaction is not depend on A, not depend on A of concentration A. Experimentally, it is observed that the rate of reaction is not depend on A of concentration A and B of concentration B. Maybe it depends on alpha term of concentration A and beta term of concentration B. Maybe concentration means this is observed by experimental. Means जब भी ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन की बात करेंगे तो ये टर्म जुड़ा होगा. Means it is observed by experimentally. हम किसी भी रिएक्शन को नॉर्मली देखकर उसका ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन नहीं बता सकते. That is given by only experimentally. When experiment has been done, then we observe what is the order of that reaction. So according to experimentally observation, the rate of this reaction is rate equal to K, concentration of A, rate with power alpha, and B have raised with power beta. So this is the according to experimental observation. According to experimental observation. So now what is the order of reaction? Sum of alpha and beta means alpha plus beta is equal to order of reaction. Order of reaction. Order of reaction. So now how can we define the order of reaction? How can we define the order of reaction? It is the sum of concentration term. It is the sum of concentration term. Means A का concentration term alpha and B का concentration term beta. So it is the sum of concentration term. It is the sum of concentration term on which rate of reaction is actually observed experimentally. Called as order of reaction. Called as order of reaction. So now again, it is the sum of concentration term. Sum of concentration term on which rate of reaction. On which rate of reaction is actually observed experimentally. It is observed by experimentally. Called as order of reaction. So this is the normal definition of order of reaction. Order of reaction. If we write rate is equal to A alpha, B to the power beta, then the order of reaction should be alpha plus beta, right? Alpha plus beta. Now, if sum of alpha plus beta is equal to 0, sum of alpha plus beta is equal to 1, sum of alpha plus beta is equal to 2, sum of alpha plus beta is equal to 3, then this is called zero order reaction. And this one is called first order reaction. This is called second order reaction. And this is called third order. Means जैसा sum होगा that define the order of reaction. So this is all about order of reaction. Now take one example. We take example as you take 5 bromide ion plus bromate ion plus 6 hydrogen ion aqueous gives out 3Br2 plus 3H2. This is the reaction. Now what is the order of reaction? What is the order of reaction of this reaction? Now according to law of mass action, according to law of mass action, similarly you easily you can write rate of reaction is equal to K Br minus the power 5 and bromate and BrO3 and H plus ion to the power 6. So the order of reaction may be 6, 5, 11 and 1, 12. Means 12 order of reaction, but this is not actually true, because rate of mass action is based on balanced chemical equation, but order of reaction is determined only by experimentally observation. Now experimental observation of this reaction, rate is equal to K Br minus BrO3 minus and hydrogen and power 2. So the order of reaction is equal to sum of concentration 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 2, this is 4. So this reaction is a 4 order of reaction. What is the order of this reaction? That is the 4 order of reaction. Order of reaction for this reaction is equal to 4. So actually this is not theoretical based. It is actually based on experimental observation. Experimental observation. You cannot determine theoretically or by you only observe order of reaction by experimental observation. So these are the concepts related with the order of reaction. Now take another example. Now photolysis of photosynthesis of hydrogen fluoride means H2 plus Cl2 in presence of H nu, that is sunlight, they give the H2SCl. अगर आप नॉर्मली थ्योरेटिकल बेस पर अगर आप बात करें तो इसका 1 and 1 second order of reaction, but actually the rate of reaction which is based on experimental is not depend on the concentration of hydrogen and not depend on the concentration of chlorine. Means experimentally rate of reaction not depend on concentration of hydrogen and concentration term of CO2. So the rate of reaction is equal to R, rate is equal to K, H2 to the power 0 and Cl2 to the power 0. So the sum of 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then the rate is equal to K. So the order of reaction equal to 0. So this is the example of order of reaction. Sorry, 0 order of reaction. So these are the concept about the order of reaction. Now take another examples to clarify all these concepts. Take another examples like as dissociation of N2O5. Example number 2. Dissociation of nitrogen pentoxide N2O5. 2N2O5 gives out 4NO2 plus O2. So the order of reaction for this reaction is actually rate is equal to, this is based on experimental, we again and again told that this is based on experimental, not you observe by theoretically. Rate is equal to k and 205 to the power 1, not is power 2, because this is based on experimental. So the order of reaction is equal to 1. It should be learned. आपको लर्न होना चाहिए कि 4-4-5-5 रिएक्शन आपको लर्न होनी चाहिए कि व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन, सेकंड ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. That is very important. Now the another example, combination of NO2 and F2. Example number 3. Combination of NO2 and F2. When NO2 plus F2 is combined, then it forms NO2F. Then the rate of reaction is equal to K NO2 to the power 1 and F2 to the power 1. So the rate order of reaction equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the second order of reaction. Second order of reaction. So these are the examples related to the order of reaction. Now we write some examples related to the zero order of reaction, first order of reaction, second order of reaction, and third order of reaction. But now one more important thing is that the order of reaction is not a simple whole number ratio. It may be fraction. Like see here. In case of decomposition of acetaldehyde at 723 Kelvin, CS3CHO at 723 Kelvin, it produces methane gas and carbon monoxide gas. So the rate of reaction is equal to K, CS3CHO is equal to 1.5. This is based on experimental. So the order of reaction is equal to 1.5. Means order of reaction may be whole number ratio or maybe fraction. So these are the concepts related with the order of reaction. It may be zero order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction, third order reaction, fourth order of reaction, and 1.5 means fraction order of reaction. But in rare case, you cannot got the fifth order of reaction. Why we cannot got the order of reaction as 5? When we discuss about the molecularity of reaction, then we discuss why we cannot observe the fifth order of reaction. Okay. Now some examples related to the zero order of reaction. Examples of zero order reaction. Number 1, जैसा भी हमने देखा है, photosynthesis of HCl means H2 plus Cl2 in presence of HU, they provide 2HCl. This is the examples of zero order of reaction. Now the second example, decomposition of ammonia, that it is the reverse of Haber process. So ammonia gets, they produce N2 plus 3H2 in presence of molybdenum or tungsten. This is also an example of zero order of reaction. Now examples of first order reaction. Examples of first order reaction. Number 1, Decomposition of ammonium nitrate. Decomposition of ammonium nitrate. When ammonium nitrate is decomposed, then it produces ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. N2 plus 2H2O. This is the first order reaction. Now the second, decomposition of H2O. When H2O is decomposed, then it produces H2O plus O2. This is also an example of first order reaction. Now, decomposition of sulfuryl chloride. Decomposition of sulfuryl SO2Cl2. Then you got SO2Cl2 gives out SO2 plus Cl2. This is also examples of first order reaction. Now, take some examples, other examples of second order reaction. Second order, number one, dissociation of hydrogen iodide. Dissociation of hydrogen iodide. Hi gives out H2 plus I2. This is the examples of second order of reaction. Second, saponification. Very important reaction. Saponification of ethyl acetate means CH3COO C2H5 plus NaOH. This provides sodium acetate CH3COO plus C2H5OH means ethyl alcohol. This is the reaction of saponification of ethyl acetate. Now, the examples of third order of reactions. Number one, 2NO plus O2 gives out 2NO2. Second example, 2NO plus Br2 gives out 2NOBr. So these are the examples of third order reaction. Now some examples related to the fractional order of reaction. Examples of fractional order. Number one, H2 plus Br2 gives out 2HBr and the rate is equal to K. H2 plus Br2 half means order of reaction equal to 1.5. Now the second example, Cu plus Cl2 gives out phosgene CuCl2. The rate of reaction is equal to CO power 2 Cl2 to the power 1 by 2. So the order of reaction is equal to 2.5. 2.5. Now, dissociation of COCl. Third example, dissociation of COCl2. So this gives COCl2 gives out CO plus Cl2 and the rate is equal to K. COCl2 to the power 3 by 2 means order of reaction is equal to 1.5. So these are the concept about the order of reaction and rate of the reaction which is based on experiment. So these are the examples of various order of reaction means zero order of reaction, first order of reaction, second order of reaction, third order of reaction, and fourth order of reaction, and fractional order of reaction. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.